Ever found yourself eyeing that perfect something online, only to realize your bank account isn't quite ready for it? Or maybe an unexpected bill pops up, throwing your budget off track. We've all been there. It's frustrating, right? You want to grab that deal, manage those expenses, but traditional payment methods sometimes just don't cut it. That's where buy now pay later services have really stepped into the spotlight. They offer a flexible way to manage your finances, spreading the cost of purchases over time. And today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular players in this field, Zip Pay. Specifically, we're tackling the question, how do I sign up for Zip Pay? Now, before we jump into the step-by-step process, let's quickly touch on what Zip Pay actually is. In a nutshell, it's a digital wallet that lets you make purchases now and pay for them later, in installments. Think of it as a modern-day layaway, but you get the product right away. It's a convenient option for managing your cash flow and making larger purchases more manageable. So, you're intrigued, and you want to get started. Great! Let's walk through the sign-up process. It's actually pretty straightforward. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Zip Pay website. You can easily find it by searching Zip Pay on Google or by typing in the direct address, which is zip.co. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. It's usually prominently displayed. Click on it. This will take you to the registration page. Here's where you'll start providing some personal information. You'll typically need to enter your full name, email address, mobile phone number, and date of birth. Make sure you enter this information accurately, as it will be used to verify your identity. After filling in these basic details, you'll likely be asked to create a secure password for your Zip Pay account. Choose a strong password that's difficult for others to guess, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. Remember, this password protects your financial information, so it's crucial to make it secure. Next up, you'll need to provide your residential address. This is another important step for verification purposes. Again, double-check that the information you enter is correct. Now, here's where things get a bit more specific to Zip Pay. You'll be asked to link a debit or credit card to your account. This card will be used to make your repayments. Zip Pay will typically perform a small authorization check on your card to ensure it's valid. This is usually a small, temporary charge that will be reversed shortly. It's important to note here that you'll need to have a valid debit or credit card in your name to sign up for Zip Pay. Prepaid cards or gift cards usually won't work. Once you've linked your card, Zip Pay will conduct a credit check. This is a standard procedure for buy now pay later services. They need to assess your creditworthiness to determine if you're likely to make your repayments on time. This check is usually a soft credit check, meaning it won't negatively impact your credit score. The credit check process is usually quite quick, often taking just a few seconds. If everything checks out, you'll be approved for a Zip Pay account. Congratulations! You're almost there. After approval, you'll likely receive a confirmation email or SMS message with further instructions. This might include a link to activate your account or download the Zip Pay app. Speaking of the app, downloading the Zip Pay app is highly recommended. It makes managing your account, tracking your purchases, and making repayments much easier. You can find the app on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Once you've activated your account and potentially downloaded the app, you're ready to start using Zip Pay. You can now use it at participating online and in-store retailers. When you're at the checkout, simply select Zip Pay as your payment method. You'll then be prompted to log into your Zip Pay account to confirm the purchase. Now, let's address a few common questions people have about signing up for Zip Pay. One question is, are there any fees associated with signing up? Generally, there are no sign-up fees for creating a Zip Pay account. However, there are fees associated with late payments. So, it's crucial to make your repayments on time to avoid these charges. Another common question is, what's the spending limit with Zip Pay? The spending limit varies depending on individual circumstances and the credit check conducted during the sign-up process. It can range from a few $100s to a few $1,000s. And finally, some people ask, can I have multiple Zip Pay accounts? Generally, you're limited to one Zip Pay account per person. So, to recap the sign-up process, you go to the Zip Pay website, click Sign Up, provide your personal information, link a debit or credit card, undergo a credit check, and then you're ready to go. It's a pretty streamlined process designed for ease of use. Using Zip Pay responsibly is key. Remember, it's a form of credit, so it's important to budget carefully and ensure you can comfortably make your repayments on time. Don't overspend just because you have the option to pay later. Understanding the terms and conditions is also crucial. Familiarize yourself with the repayment schedule, late fees, and any other relevant information. This will help you avoid any surprises down the line. Zip Pay can be a valuable tool for managing your finances, especially for those unexpected expenses or larger purchases. But like any financial tool, it's important to use it wisely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.